Hi, this is a video on how to make the coin blocks that go with the CoinBlocks lesson.
We'll start with making the dime coin. It's important, first of all, to pick 10 of the blocks that are all the same color, but as you line them up, you need 2 columns of 5. As you put them together, you also want to make sure that the nubs, the parts that fit into the other pieces, are all pointing to the inside. Then once you have them, snap them together carefully. Take a piece of tape, roll it up, put it on top of the dime, and then just tape it on top of the blocks. Making the nickels is similar, except that you're going to make 1 column of 5, which means that you're going to have one of those nubs left over. But if you point it to the top, the blocks will still fit together. Again, tape a nickel to the back. You might want to tape it to the front of the coin so that the students are seeing the back of the coin this time, and rotate them that way. Put it on the blocks, and there's your dime and your nickel. For the quarters, you're going to need a 5 by 5, and you want to make sure that they're extremely tight because they have a tendency to want to fall apart because they're so much heavier. Again, all the nubs need to be inside, so as you line them up, they fit together perfectly. When you go to make the penny blocks, you're going to need that nub on the side because if you try to tape the penny on the top, it will just fall off. But as you'll see, when you line them up against the other blocks, that nub can be off to the side and they'll still fit together no matter where you position it amongst the blocks, since the pennies will always be at the end. After the students have used the blocks for a while, you can make a paper version too. Simply print out the CoinBlocks activity sheet, cut it out to fit the right coin, take a rubber stamp and stamp on the coin, and then you can laminate them, and they work just as well as the block version, with the added ability of being able to take them home. When you make the penny version, though, make sure you stamp it on some white paper because the stamp will be larger than the square you're stamping onto. And there you have it, a complete set of coin blocks that students can take home. Another advantage to the paper version is that you can make the 50-cent piece pretty easily. When you're using the blocks, they can become very heavy and they do fall apart, but of course you can make the paper version without a problem. Again, just cut out the right size paper, put the rubber stamp on it, and there you have it.
So that's it. That's how to make the coin blocks. Have a great lesson.